this was requested, so I'm going to talk as though I'm talking to the person who requested it. This video is about to show you how to make those curves, not really how to button the curves. Although in summary, the buttoning was made slack so that you can button in two ways. One way to make it look like it's a cuff link, and then the other way is just like your normal buttoning of cuffs. Now, to make this kind of cuff, you cut 4 pieces of fabric roughly 3" by the length, over some inches over the length of what you need to cover the person's hand measurement. Okay, now look for the right and wrong side and fold and iron one edge for 4 of them. You want to do that neatly. It should be straight, regardless whether you cut the fabrics roughly or not. They are all going to go inside, so you don't have to put that drawing lines. Then get the second fabric, or should be different color. Okay, length of the fabric that you should cut should cover the length of the rough fabric you first cut. That was like 3" wide. This one should just be just over 1 inch wide. Then by the length, 2 of this would do. Okay, that's the side you want to appear, should face up, and then get the folded side of the base fabric and then position very well, and then you run a top stitch, a pinch stitch, and then that would join the brown and the gray color fabric together. Don't be carried away by how easy it's being done here. You have to be very careful while doing this, because if you're careless, it will not appear neat. Practice have caused us to do it so it would, even though there is no lines rule, it's appearing really straight. It should be very straight, except you want to make a design that would cause it to appear in another form. You place the second base fabric on top of the one you already made, but you leave a gap of a little less than quarter in between them so that the brown material appear underneath, and then you're going to run a top stitch on that in such a way that you have a pinch stitch. At the end, you should have something like this, and then you can use this for various designs anywhere you want it to appear. For this purpose, it's a placket. Sorry, did I say placket? Sorry, a cuff. And then you cut gum cloth for the cuff that you want to make. For this particular one, it was 2.75 by 10". 9" is the hand size, and then the excess of 1" is for the overlap of the cuff on the hand, while the 2.75 is the thickness of the cuff. That should do. Like I said earlier, you can use such designs for any part of clothes that you want to design. Then make your cuff the regular way that you're used to doing it. For this particular one, the simple design we made appeared on the middle of the cuff when you place it at a landscape view. So when you're done